It's probably not going to rain very long, but it is coming down extremely hard. About as hard as I've ever seen it rain. I can't see the end of the street. Look at this. It's going to be some good fishing after this. I hope anyway. Kind of a cold rain. This has got to be like an inch in 20 minutes type of rain. We'll see you at the first spot. This right here is more like it. This is what I was looking for at the other spot. I think this bait, something like this, is what they're looking for. Look at how green the water is though. That's so crazy. It's time for the little swim bait, man. This is what I caught 5 fish on the other day. That's not to say it's going to work here today, but why wouldn't it? I can't think of a reason why it wouldn't. My guess is if I can get that little bass to bite, that one I've seen blowing up on stuff, my guess is he's fat as hell. My guess is he's caught a lot of bait fish today. There he is. Oh shit, that's not him. That's not him. That's a good one. That is not him. Or is it? No, that's not him. That is not the same fish, guys. That's a better fish there. Not by a lot, but this one might go 2 pounds. Nice. That other fish I saw was only like maybe a foot long. Look at him peeing. What are you doing? He wants to weigh as little as possible. He says, I'm going to take a piss before you weigh me. He just cost me an ounce. Okay, let's see what you weigh. I'm going to say 2.5. 2 pounds, 9 ounces. Actually, a little bit heavier than I thought. Should have been 2 pounds, 10 ounces, but he had to go and take a piss. How dare you? Nice fish, man. For a fish being that short, to be over 2.5 pounds is crazy. That is wild. I love that we've got this putting green here to put the tripod on. It's nice and flat. That fish is very thick across the back too. Big old gut on it. It's been binge eating out here. Very yellow, pretty chemical bass. So we are not going to skunk today. I didn't think we would. Figured we wouldn't. It's hard to skunk out here, but if you're going to skunk out here, it'll be in the wintertime. These bass do not like cold water at all. Not sure if I should let them go downstream or what. Because up there is where I think there's a few more fish. So, here you go. Man, I knew that was a good one when he bit. He fought so hard. Look at that little frog right there. Look at all those bait fish right there swimming up. They're green sunfish. There's one stuck on a stick right there. Normally the water level here would be a foot higher than this. I'm not sure if any fish can get up this far. Any big bass anyway. Look at that. Look at him go. Oh, that's a bass right there. That's a little baby bass. There's a big green sunfish. Look at him go. And that's another largemouth. Now you know why big bass will come up here and swim up into the current to feed, because these guys will get stuck here. See this canyon here? Normally all of that would be underwater. I almost just walked into that guy. Look at that. That is one ugly spider. He's huge too. He's like 4 inches long. Look at that. Not gonna say I can't get one here, but it's unlikely probably. We'll see. Because fish feel like when they get, oh shit. Fish! No way! Oh my God. No. That's disappointing. He was small though. I was gonna say, when fish approach a spillway from the other side of it, they feel like they're gonna get sucked down and they usually will swim away from it, but sure enough, there was a fish there. Fish! Shit! God, that was a giant. See that swirl? I didn't hook him. Oh my God. Oh my God. Brutal. I'm out here freezing my balls off and this icy water coming down. It's hard to say how big that one was, but it was at least 2 pounds. Could have been 2, could have been 3, could have been 4, could have been 5, who knows. Fish! Fish! No! Oh my God! Fuck!